recognize. Not recognize. BreakAdvice.
This is Thesis, representing Knuckleheads Cali, F2D, them team, Massive Monkees, Seattle, Washington, Tucson, Arizona. And this is BreakAdvice. My lesson today is going to be pretty much based off of just concept, off of making up concepts and understanding different ways to continue your style with whatever you want to do, using your body. Like, I want to teach this because I don't really like to teach like move per move, you know? Especially, you know, nowadays, a lot of people call a lot of people biters and stuff like that, is because they're teaching everyone their moves, you know what I mean? So pretty much this is a lesson to kind of grasp an understanding of being yourself, pretty much. A concept is a start or a beginning to an end and an idea. Now the idea, for example, if you want to use it, real simple, you know, you've seen b-boys do, you know, stuff like that, kind of adding style into it. Now, to add a concept, say for you want to get down, a concept would be, of course, you're up top. You can come back down, and then boom. You know what I mean? So that's kind of like making up a concept and understanding where you could go from there. If you want to add a blow up into it, make it a little bit more intense, something that I would do would be like here, here, here. You know what I mean? Just adding different levels. So, boom. That was kind of sloppy, but pretty much that's the idea. Pretty much just keep it going, different variations. And that's pretty much the goal of concept, is having a whole bunch of different variations of one move. You know what I mean? Another variation of that, pretty much, like I said, you have the under leg. You could also go inside and do this side right here. I have a move that hits the floor right away, and you kind of just get right back into it. But here's another concept. It's shorter, it's not really long. It's just a get down, so you can come here, boom, boom, back up, boom. You know what I mean? From there, you kind of get the idea of creating a get down, but it all connects, it all makes sense, all right? Now, there's also little quick concepts like that, like get downs and stuff like that, but there's also concepts where you could actually storytell. Now, storytelling is a little bit different. Storytelling is more just kind of everything making sense, but it's still a concept. It's still understanding or trying to teach people your understanding of the way you think, you know, and your style. So everyone could go out there and have style and kind of blow up a move with flavor and shit like that, but it takes a lot to actually go through with it, you know what I mean? And just kind of take your time and do your style and be calm and be understanding about it. There's something that I made up, and I'm gonna show you guys, but I really advise you guys not to do it, just because it's mine. And I took my time to create it, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys didn't take my moves. So I just want to let you guys know that, and then other than that, pretty much just hope you get an idea of like storytelling, all right? I like to use a lot of different angles of the body. I like to, in other words, I like to be a little bit more abstract, you know, but add flow, threads, all that stuff. So one of my newer concepts that I made up in a storytelling form goes like this. So I turn it, boom. That's the concept from here. And then I go into an inward 90, like that. So I'm turning my arm, and then I'm turning my body. But it makes it, the way you accent it is the most important part. The way you make it shown is the most important part. If you don't make it shown, there's no reason for you doing the concept, you know? So I came in, boom, boom, twist, here. Come around, thread, down to the floor, back in, just like that. So if you guys could see that a little bit clearer, you understand that I'm using my arms and using my body just to kind of flow through it. But it's mainly arm control and arm movement. So when you do the arm, I'm twisting it, twisting my body, I'm coming around, threading, using this arm still, and using this arm to go to a chair, using this arm to go back here, and threading back in. Now, once I thread it back in and connect back to the floor, I'm able to let go of my hand, you know? And that's called connecting. Connecting is, could be simple or it could be crazy. You know, it could be advanced like that, or it could be simple just as like that. You know what I mean? And connecting is pretty much the concept of storytelling. If you could connect, you could get into other moves. It's as simple as that. It's building a bridge and walking through it, you know? So if, say, for example, you connect here, here, then you could thread through. Grab your head, and then you could let go your knee right there. Simple as that. Come through here, grab your, you know, grab your elbow, then you can let go of your head, thread your arm through, whatever you want to do. That's the idea of storytelling, the concept of storytelling with connections and variations and transitions and levels, stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and thank you very much.
Not recognize.